How to fix TikTok CapCut template not showing. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this and then scroll all the way down until you find TikTok. And when you find it, then you have to click on it like this and click on this option right here in the top, and then go to the permissions. Make sure that every permission is enabled. Go back, click on data usage, make sure to disable the background data and the roaming data, and turn on the Wi-Fi and the mobile data, and then click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and then go to the Play Store and update it into the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.